guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and today we are going to make an awesome color. You know how I know it's going to be awesome? Because of the components that we're using in today's project. Now this one has been on the schedule for weeks, and I couldn't wait to get it done. For our base coat, we're going to use Blurple Plasti Dip Spray. Very saturated, very deep color, obviously right in between that blue and purple. And on top of the Blurple, we're using a very unique pearl, one that you haven't seen us use for a very long time, if at all. The Nautilus ColorShift. And Nautilus is unique because A, it looks awesome. It's like a Caribbean blue-green shift. Looks great, but I hate spraying it. It is one of the smallest particle pearls that we have. It is microscopic and it is extremely difficult to get down without getting cloudiness. But we're up for the task today. We're doing Nautilus over Blurple. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, we are done with today's project, and I knew two things going into this one. First, I knew that this color combination was gonna look awesome, and I was 100% right. Something about that deep base with that Nautilus pearl on top looks outstanding. I can't wait for you guys to see it. And two, I knew we were gonna have a hard time spraying this pearl. Nautilus is such a pain in the butt. That tiny, tiny particle size, if you don't get your overlaps perfect, you're just gonna get that cloudiness. But I think we got just the right amount of pearls per gallon, the right amount of coats to pull this one off. If you guys want to dip your own car, click up here. We have tons of car kits and colors to choose from. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Thank you for taking the time to subscribe as well. It's Fonzie. Let's go outside and check out the car. I'll see you guys on the next video. Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car. Today, we are going to make an incredible color. You know how I know it's going to be incredible? Because of the components my phone is on. Alright guys, we are all done with today's project, and I knew two things going into this one. A, I knew that this color was probably going to be awesome. The combination of the deep Blurple with the Caribbean looking, what the f is it called again? Nautilus.